Honda has confirmed that the new SUV, based on the same platform used for the Honda City, the new Honda ZR-V, will go on sale later this year 2022. Viewed as a replacement model for the WRB, it is likely to Honda's new SUV is coming soon to India and then to Latin America to take on others in the subcompact SUV segment. Honda is ready to strip the covers off a new SUV, whose name is the ZR-V. According to preliminary reports, the ZR-V will be a subcompact destined for the South Asian and Latin American markets. In actual word, Honda says, "We will present a world premiere product. This is our newest model that was introduced for the first time in the world. Therefore, we are looking forward to their presence in 2022, said a Honda representative before the event. The upcoming Honda ZR-V will be based on the automaker's next-generation compact architecture, which is also the basis for the popular Honda City sedan. Honda is aiming to use ZR-V as its entry for the subcompact segment. It is likely to be around 4 meters long, 1.69 meters wide and 1.6 meters high. Honda recently showed off the ZR-V, which gives a broad hint at the design elements of the new SUV. It is noted that the new Honda will have the latest design language of the brand with a coupe style. There will be a large grille with a frame at the top that extends to the headlights. It also shows off a slim, elongated LED light signature and taillights with a dotted line design, as well as RS badging, suggesting a turbocharged model. The interior of the new Honda ZR-V is likely to have a simple and functional design, complete with a prominent multimedia screen and an instrument cluster that could be partially digital. As for the engine, the Honda ZR-V will have a 1.2-liter IVTEC gasoline engine under the hood that can produce 90 horsepower. There could also be the option of a 1.5-liter IVTEC, capable of generating 116 horsepower, or a 1.0-liter turbocharged unit capable of producing around 122 horsepower.